I'm Lumi.
And I'm Milo.
Can you guess what we're drawing today? Let's draw a flower.
A tulip flower. Please like and subscribe.
Now let's draw a stem.
And now, let's draw a leaf. Did you know?
Tulips come in many colors,
Red, yellow, pink, purple.
even white.
Okay, let's keep drawing.
Awesome!
Let's draw some details.
Now let's color.
You can color with any supplies you like.
Ta-da! Great job! See you next time!